This is Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show the few useful camera tricks and tips on this device. I would like to demonstrate that you can manage the watermark, the camera watermark option. So in order to do that, you will need to go into camera settings. In here, you'll have the separate watermark page. So obviously, in order to enable it, you gotta turn this switch on. Then you can customize what particular content will be shown at the watermark. So you can set the custom text for it to display. Then decide whether you would like for the device model to be shown, as well as timestamp. Change the font size, and choose whether you would like to add the watermark to photos, videos, or both. And now, basically, once we will take a photo or any video in my case as well, the watermark will be displayed right over here with our custom text, or rather the name that we've decided to go after, the shot by sequence. The next option is a very useful camera mode that is called Ultra Macro. That's the mode that allows you to take a very high quality close-up pictures of small objects. Usually used to take photos of like some flowers or insects, but you can, well, obviously use it for whatever. In order, as you can see by the camera instructions, in order to get the best result, you gotta have the 4 centimeters of distance between the object and the phone camera. So, I'm not sure how precise should it be, but well. So let's see. Okay, I'll make a photo like that. And here is the result. The next tip is rather a small one. That's how you can make your camera silent or mute the camera sound entirely. Actually, right now my phone is at the silent mode, so let me quickly fix that. So now, once I press the shutter button, it should make a shutter sound. So if you would like to still have the ring or system sound volume, but get rid of the shutter sound or any other camera sound that you have, you gotta simply go into camera settings and turn off the shutter sound switch. And now, as you can see, the shutter, once used, or the take photo button, will not produce any sound at all. And finally, I would like to show you the 2 very useful modes for the people that are somewhat advanced camera users or enthusiastic about the pictures and videos that they take. The first one is the Pro Photo mode. As you can see, it allows you to manually set the value for ISO, shutter speed, exposure, focus distance, or set the manual focus to be exact, and white balance. So if you would like to, well, have control over all those parameters while taking a photo, here you have it. There is also another mode that basically does the same, but for recording videos. It is called the film mode, and as you can see while in it, you can also change the ISO value, the shutter speed, the exposure value, the focus, and white balance. So long story short, if you would like to have as much control as it is possible with the default camera app on this device, both for pictures and films, you can very easily do that. Alrighty, so that will be it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.